Good morning, everybody. My dear students, my name is Baba Uday. I am working as an English teacher in Sri Manu Siddeshwara High School, Andhra. Dear students, in the previous class or yesterday's class, we are going to discuss about whatever we do. It means let's try to do it better. Whatever we do, let's try to do it better. Our action, our words, like this. Whatever we do, let's it make it better through our words, our action, like this. Then it is better to success. Anyhow, the time and the situation is very important. Whatever we do, let's make it better. It goes to success. Dear students, yesterday's class or previous class, we have already discussed regarding the situation and the time, how it is very important. Whatever we do. For example, we have already known about the senior person. When you are going to meet a senior person, when you are going to meet him very late, then how the situation is, how the person is behaving, and how we are going to behave in front of him, asking sorry. Throughout the wholeheartedly, we are going to say sorry. That person, he says like, okay, it's okay. It's great pleasure to waiting for you. Like this, the situation it makes, the time and situation it makes such a situation. And then when you are getting help from others, that we are going to tell thanks for him. Wholeheartedly we are going to say that the thanks. So then we are going to use another word, thanks a lot. I am very grateful to you. It is from your wholeheartedly we are going to say the grateful to other person when you are getting a help from that person. Really, he is very proud of us. Thank you very much. Thank you. And you say that thanks a lot. And also we are going to say that another word that you are going to get. You have been for get help. So to the bottom of our heart, through our heartly, we are going to say some words with action. That means success for us. Whatever we do. So like that, so many examples we have given in the last period or in the last class. When you are going to purchase something in the shop, that in that shop the owner or the people, those who are inside the shop, they were asking you, yes sir, whatever we want. What you want sir? How can I help you sir? When you are going to ask something, they have to hand over it to us. That thing it is hand over to you. They have to behave like anything in front of them or us. And also, when you are going to do that better thing, for example, the doctor. When you are going to meet the doctor he was also behaving in front of the patients with patiently. So he was the doctor's words, doctor's action. It makes a very good thing for the patients. The doctor is not seriously he was doing his work. So he was also behaving in front of the patients very nicely. He also told some some words, actions like that. Dear students, it is very important thing. You have to know that whatever we do, it is better to do success. It is very important. The time and action is very important, so that the writer, in this lesson, the writer Clifford Northis, he explained like this: the situation, the time was so very important in our life. So let us today we are going to continue the part second in this lesson. Let us know which are the examples are given in the textbook. Let us look in front of the text. Now I am going to read the lesson. On a certain occasion, I hailed an auto rickshaw and said, "City Hospital." The auto man did not look at me, but simply down the meter. Well, it was a clear indication that he was willing to take me to my destination. But would not it have been much better if he had said, "Yes, sir, please get in," or simply said, "Come"? The least he could have done was to make a gesture with his face or hand. I did mention the point to him, and to my good luck, he agreed with me. On another occasion, I called an auto and said, "Central Market." He said, "Sorry sir, it is time for me to hand over the auto." And so saying, he hailed another auto and asked, "Guru, Central Market." That man agreed and I got him. This shows that we can say no also in the most pleasant way. Even a very ordinary thing like leaving alms to a beggar can be done in a better way. Here take is we can say nicely and with some feeling. What do most people do? They refuse to look at the beggar. If he persists, they indicate that he should go ahead. Someday, some say, "Munde hogappa, go further," or some such thing. Some do not say anything but try to shun the beggar by their body language. And finally, when the giving becomes inevitable, they give grudgingly. If we decide to give alms, should we not do so gracefully? In Mumbai, they have a nice way of saying, "Maaf karo, please excuse." It's a nice way of saying, "Sorry, I am not able to give." We have a number of notice, instructions and orders like no parking, no smoking, no admission, visitors' cars not allowed, and so on and so forth. Do not these terms sound rather rough? True, people are trying to be brief because briefly it's a genuine need in such public notice. But we have seen that at least in the case of something, people have made some innovation. Nowadays they write, "Thank you for not smoking." Cannot we try to use better terms in other cases also? I am not suggesting that in every case we should say, "Thank you for." We can think of innovative methods to make our orders, instructions and notices sound more polite, polished. In our naturally, therefore, they have big rush and it is is a problem for the management. In one such restaurant, I saw a board, do not sit here for a long time. How odd can they not, then how odd can they not say the same thing in better words? Luckily, I saw in another place a board, please make room for waiting customers. In yet another place, I saw a notice which read, kindly make room for waiting friends. Yes. Here, students, we are going to know in the text how that next paragraph I am reading now. Yes, it is our practice to be brief while sending telegrams. Here again, the reason is briefly. We want to say words in order to cut costs. So if someone wants to request his brother to receive him at the station, he might send a telegram somewhat like this. Reaching Mumbai, Thursday, stop, Shatabdi, stop, meet station. Now, just for the sake of one single word, the telegram has become totally devoid of the early courtesy. What could be the additional cost of adding please? Nowadays, the telegram has been relegated to the background due to the coming of the telephone and the internet. But have we solved the issue of courtesy? Do not we see people ask, who is this? Instead of saying, may I know who is calling please? In a certain book on communication, I found a very interesting method of asking who is calling. If you call Mr. Patil in his office, his secretary will receive the call and before connecting to Mr. Patil, she would want to know who the caller is so that she can inform the same to Mr. Patil. What does the secretary say? She does not say. Who is this? Or even, may I know who is calling please? She says, can I tell Mr. Patil who is calling please? The idea is this, you want to talk to Mr. Patil. I do not wish to know who is who you are. But I must tell Mr. Patil who is calling him. Therefore, I am requesting you to tell me who you are. My dear students, here the writer, we want to express, we want to describe about the other situations, the other time and situation, how you are going to behave in front of that other peoples. On a certain occasion, I had an auto rickshaw and said, a city hospital. In another occasion, we are going to call auto rickshaw urgently. Then we are going to say, I had an auto rickshaw and said, city hospital. Just you are calling auto and you are going to say, a city hospital. Then the auto man did not look at me but simply turned the meter. The auto rickshaw driver simply you want to down the auto that meter. It was a clear indication that he was willing to take me to my destination. Without talking the auto driver, it indicates that auto driver is simply he accepted to take him to our directly our destination. He would not have been much better if he had said, yes sir, please get in. Some auto drivers said, yes sir, please get in sir. Some auto rickshaw drivers, the situation it makes him, the least he could have done someone was a make a gesture with his face or hand. He gestured with his face or a hand. Just come in, sir. Get in, sir. He signed like this. So simply come. The least he could have done was to make a gesture with his face or hand. I did mention the point to him and to my good luck to agree with me. On another occasion, I called an auto and said, in another occasion, in another situation, I called an auto and so saying Central Market, called an auto and said Central Market. When we are calling the auto, we said Central Market. He said, the auto driver said like this, sorry sir, it's the time for me to hand over the auto. When we are calling the auto, so that auto driver says that when we say the Central Market, the auto driver, he want to say that sorry sir, it is the time to hand over the auto. And so saying, he had another auto, he asked, Guru, Central Market. Then we are going to call another auto, then we say, Guru, auto, the Central Market. That man agreed and got in. That auto driver agreed and got in. This shows that we can say no also in the most pleasant way. This situation or this time also make that type of action and words. Whatever we do, we are going to do success. This is one of the examples, my dear students. You know that how that auto drivers and we people, we are going to behave each other. It means how we are going to behave with the auto drivers also. So like that, we are going to know the situation in that the auto driver calling. Next one example here giving. Even a very ordinary thing like giving alms to a beggar can be done in a better way. Yes. When you are going to, when the beggar is begging with us, we are going to behave like that. That how we are going to behave in front of the beggar also can be done in a better way. Here, take this. Here, take this. Sometimes we are going to say, here, take this. When the beggar is begging with him, that we are going to say, here, take this. Like this we are going to say. We can say nicely. We can say very nicely we are going to say. And with some feelings. We are going to give some to the beggar here, take this. And we are going to behave nicely. And some feelings we are going to say that. What do most people do? The renounce to look at the beggar. If he persists, they indicate he should go ahead. Sometimes other people they indicate the beggar go ahead. Just they are going to show the action. Just go ahead. The beggar, if the son says munde hogappa, go further. Sometimes we are going to say that munde hogappa, go further. Sometimes we are going to say like this. Or some such things, some do not say something but try to shun the beggar by their body language. By their body language, we are also going to say like that nicely. Munde hogappa, go further like this. And finally, we have giving becomes inevitable. The giving grudgingly. If we decide to give alms, should we do not so gracefully. In Mumbai, they have a nice way of saying maaf karo, please excuse. It's a nice way of saying sorry, I am not able to give. So, for example, in Mumbai, The people they were behave like this. Maaf karo. Sorry, I am unable to give this. So like this, the people in Mumbai also they behave like this in front of the beggar. So they go like this. Maaf karo. Sorry, I am not able to give. So like this, they have to behave in front of the beggar also. They say, Maaf karo, please excuse. It's a nice way of saying, sorry, I am not able to give. We have a number of notice, instructions and other orders like no parking, no smoking, no admission, visitors cannot allow and so on and so forth. Do not these terms sound rather rough? Yes, some places we have seen some indications or notice. We have a number of notices. Notices in the it means is a public notices or public instructions and orders like no parking, no smoking, no admission, visitors car not allowed, and so on, so forth. We are going to know that so many indications, so many orders, that the instructions, notices also we are going to know in the public sector. Cars are not, visitors cars are not allowed, and so on and so forth. Do not these terms that sound rather true. People are trying to be brave because bravery is a genuine need in such public notices. But we have seen that at least in the case of smoking, people have made some innovation. Nowadays, they write, thank you for all not smoking. Nowadays, we are going to know that in the public field or public sector, the instructions or notice, or we are going to know that the thank you for not something. Thank you for, like thank you for not smoking. The word, the time is showing like this. Thank you for not smoking. So let us, in the next paragraph, what happened now? Cannot we try to use better terms in other cases also? I am not suggesting that in every case we should say thank you for. We can think of innovation methods to make our orders, instructions and notice sound more polite, polished. In South India, some restaurants are famous for the tasty fare they offer. Naturally, therefore, they have big rush and it is a problem for the management. In South India, in the restaurants, there was always a full of rush because that South Indian restaurants are very famous for their tasty. So it is very difficult to manage the people. The hotel management it is also taking some risks to manage the peoples. Sometimes in such restaurants I saw a board, do not sit here for a long time. There was a board. The restaurants do not sit for here for a long time. How hard can they not say the same thing in better words? The same words we can use in better ways. That is, luckily I saw in another place a board, please make a room for waiting customers. This is the word we use. Please make a room for waiting customers. In another place I saw a notice which read, kindly make room for waiting friends. In another way, they have to reach the customers like this, that kindly make room for waiting friends. Here in the restaurants also, we have to know the notice or orders or instructions have been given for the customers in different ways, in different times, in different situations, how they have to behave with the customers. The hotel management or the restaurant persons, how they are behave with the customers or the people, those who are coming for the restaurant. In this, it is our practice to be brief while sending telegrams. So, while you are going to send some important telegrams, here again the reasons is brevity. We want to say words in order to cut costs. In order to cut costs, we are going to cut some words in telegram. Then we are going to send some telegrams. So if someone wants to request his brother to receive him at the station, he might send a telegram somewhat like this. We have going to send save some money or cost, so that we are going to cause that we are going to get some messages like this. Reaching Mumbai Thursday, stop Shatabdi, stop meet station. So like this, the person he is going to say the words and also cut the words, and also he want to say the money also, cost also. But the meaning of the telegram is very different when you are going to cut the words for the sake of cut the cost. Reaching Mumbai Tuesday, stop Shatabdi, stop meet station. Now, just for the sake of one single word, the telegram has become totally devoid of any courtesy. What could what could he be? The additional cost of adding please. Additional cost of adding please. Nowadays, the telegram has been relegated to the background due to the coming of the telephone and the internet. In nowadays, there is no telegrams. We are going to get message through the internet, mobiles, like this. So we are going to save, when we are going to save the cost, and we are going to cut some words in telegrams. But the telegram meaning is very different. But we have solved the issue of courtesy. Do not we see? I say here, people ask, who is this? Instead of saying, may I know who is calling, please. So when you are going to talk with others, when the new call is coming with your other peoples, we know that who is calling, may I know who is calling. So you can use the same word again, may I know who is calling now. May I know who is calling, please. In the certain book in communication, I found very interesting method of asking who is calling. This is the method. We are going to know who is calling, or we are asking, may I know who is calling now? So this is the method we are going to use through speaking in phone. So we don't know who is calling, or we don't know who is speaking. So, but the time and situation it makes to ask like this, may I know who is calling, who is speaking, so that I can inform the same to Mr. Patil. What does the secretary say? She does not say who is this, or even may I know who is calling, please. She says, can I tell Mr. Patil who is calling, please? The idea is this. Who want to talk to Mr. Patil? I do not ask to wish to know who you are, but I must tell Mr. Patil who is calling him. Therefore, I am requesting you to tell me who you are. Sometimes you are going to talk with Mr. Patil, with the secretary. Then the personal secretary, they want to talk to connect with the Patils. Then you say that she asking like that, may I know who is calling. I know to whom I connect this phone. Who is speaking now? Like that, you are going to make a connection with the others when you are going to talk with through the telephone. So this is the method we are going to use the certain time or a certain period. The time and situation is very important. My dear students, you know that other examples, how you are going to behave in front of the auto rickshaw drivers, or auto rickshaw drivers, how they are behaving with us when you are going to your destination. And also that how you are going to think about the in front of when you are going to give in front of the beggar. They are going to show their feelings and nice words in front of him. So go further. Take this. Like this, the in front of that beggar also we are going to behave like that. The situation, the time is also like that. So in Mumbai also the people how they were going to give back the something to the beggar, and also how they were going to behave with the beggar. Sorry, maaf karo, please excuse me. But it's a nice way of saying. With the nice way, in the Bombay, the people they want to talk like this. Maaf karo, excuse me. Sorry, it's a nice way. In the nice way of them to say, sorry, I am not able to give. So like that, the people how they will behave with the beggar also, how they have to feel, how they have to say the words, nice words with the beggars. And also you know some instructions, some orders, some notices in the public sector. For example, dear students, we know some instructions are given in the public field or public sectors. Yes, have you know that notice or instructions or orders are given? You know that so many boards, notice boards are there beside the roads when you are coming to school. Anybody? Yes, so many notices, so many orders, so many instructions have been beside the. So when you are coming to school, there you have to know that so many instructions and notices, orders are pasted beside the roads, indications. So no parking board also. You know that no parking, no smoking board also there. And also no admission, and also visitors cars are not allowed, like this. So many instructions, so many notices, so many orders are also we are going to look beside the roads. Like that we have when you are going to go to that restaurants. There are so many orders or request boards are also there. So in the restaurants, we know that so many problems to that management. They have to put some board there, restaurant. We have to serve that boards. Don't sit here for a long time. Don't sit here for a long time. There is a board in the restaurant. Don't sit for a long time. And also there another type of board is also there. Please make room for waiting customers. Please make room for waiting customers. And also in yet another place, you are also going to saw that they kindly make room for waiting friends. Kindly making room for friends. Like that, in some situations, sometimes you have to saw that different type of boards and orders and notices are there. So another example, that is where when you are going to make the telegrams, then you are going to save some money to cut some message. So like that when you are going to cut the message, there is so many problems we are going to face at that time. But dear students, so in that situation, in that time, so many orders, notices, and also so many instructions have been given when you are going to know that instructions. So like that, dear students, today in this class we are going to know that the different situations, different times, different places they are making different occasions. So here now we are going to know that someone new words are introducing here. So relegate. Relegate means give less importance. So you can use this word in your own sentence also. Relegate. Give less importance. Courtesy. Courtesy means good manners. Good manners. Persist. Persist means to behave firmly. So and also suppose. Suppose. The meaning of this word suppose is to think or believe that something is true. Suppose. To think or believe that something is true. So that like this you are going to know some new words are introducing here in this lesson. Let us you have to take that some homework questions are here. What word usually makes our inquiries more polite? The question number is 1. What word usually makes our inquiries more polite? Take them the second one question. Someone on the phone, how would you start the conversation? So, someone on the phone, how would you start the conversation? And third one, why does the author say that there is no formula for best action or best form of speech? Like this, here there are 3 questions are here. That's you are going to answer these questions. So, my dear students, today in this lesson we are going to know that whatever we do and we are going to make it success or better, how that situation is, that what type of situation, that what type of time, what situation, situation and what type of time occasion is very important for this your time. So like this, so we are going to know, my dear students, you know that the time and situation is very important where whatever we want to do now and how that situation is very important. So as I told you that the situation it makes some important task for them, that is when we are going to make auto rickshaw driver, when we are going to make doctors, when we are going to make the important senior persons, and also when you are going to purchase something in the shop or shopping, then how we are going to behave in front of the beggar also. Like this, we are going to do whatever we want to do, that it is going to make it better, good success. So that in the life of students, we are also going to do whatever we want to do, it is going to do some better success in our life. So that time and situation is very important in our life. So in the different time, different situation, we are going to do better or better things to do good success. So at the situation, at that time we are going to do whatever we do, we are want to do something success in our life. There are so many examples we are going to give in the sometimes. So my dear students, I am asking for you that you are going to do something, we are going to do some good in your life. So something is better to do some good success in our life. So the writer Clifton Martins, he want to describe, he want to explain about all situations in different times and different times and different situations. The time is, the action is very important. The words also we can use. That the words also very important in different times and different situations. How we are going to do. So like this. So in this lesson, the part second, we are going to know that so many important notices, so many important things we are going to know in this lesson. So like that, the writer he want to explain all those things that the different time also, different situation also is very important in our life also. In the life of students, we are going to know in the different situation, different things that we are going to know that. And also one thing, again I want to tell you, when you are going to do that as telegram also, there the time, situation and saving the money also very important. So, but we are going to save the money, but we are going to cut the message, but there is no good meaning or there is no a certain the reality of telegram is no there. So like this, sometimes some situations it makes some different aspects, so that we are going to cultivate so many examples, so many instructions, so many notices, so many orders we are going to know in this lesson. My dear students, have you know that? Have you understood that? All those things where what? That is whatever we do. We do whatever we do to do the better good success in our life. So this is the explanation or this is the described from the writer Clifford Martins. So being a students, you are also cultivate all these things what we are going to know in this lesson. So and also we can use these new words in our own sentence like this: the regret, relegate, courtesy, persist, reassuringly, suppose, like this. So you can use these new words in your own sentence also. Relegate means give less importance, courtesy, good manners, persist, to behave firmly, reassuringly, by way of restoring confidence, suppose, to think or believe that something is true. So like this, so the new words are introducing in this lesson. We are going to introduce or you can use these all words in your own sentences. Like this, the thing is very important. Whatever you do, we do that it is a success or good thing. It is better to success. Students, we know the answers for these three questions. My dear students, did you know the meanings and the answers for these questions? Let us, we know that it is very important to continue that whatever we do is very important in our life. To adapt these things in our life also. This is the thing we are going to learn from this writer, Mr. Clifford Martins. What they say, whatever we do. This is the thing we are going to adapt in this lesson. My dear students, today we are going to say that you are going to cultivate all those things in your life, that what the writer Clifford Martins, what he want to say in the lesson, whatever we do that it is better to success in our life also. So, my dear students, today we are going to know that it is very important. We have to use these words in our own sentences. It is very important things we are going to know that. So like this, today, my dear students, we know that this is the class. We are going to know different situations, different times we are going to make it good success. We are going to stop this lesson here. Let's continue in the next class. Thank you very much.